Hi, Tyler. I heard you're the point guy for the consulting team, and I just wanted to bring you in because it seems to me some of my employees told me that you guys might be doing a little more than we initially intended on the request for a proposal. Um, what's going on? It seems like you guys are doing a little more than the staff modeling we kind of wanted you guys to do.
Yeah, we're trying to, I guess, encourage them to do a little bit more, trying to take them in a direction, just to try and test things out and see how things go.
Okay, because yeah, it was kind of presented to me that that you guys were asking way too much of them, and that they were being asked to like provide information that they didn't even know. And I know sometimes they can get a little testy, but I just wanted to make sure with you that everything was going okay, because otherwise it seemed like you guys were doing way too much, and we got deadlines to meet and everything else. I can't have my employees doing all this extra stuff that isn't necessary for the proposal.
Yeah, no, I totally understand. If we have to, we can drop back a little bit, try and work things out that way they're not feeling overworked or anything like that.
Cool. Well, yeah, great. That sounds great. I'll talk to my employees and just let them know that like we've talked and everything else, and I'll look over that email you sent me earlier with some of the new information, and yeah, we'll try to figure it out. But thank you for coming in and talking to me.
Oh, no problem. Thanks for clearing that up for me.
Cool. All right. So for our teacher, if she's watching, we're going to move over to the second proposal here, the second scenario. All right. So Tyler was the first consultant. I was the client, and now Tyler's going to be the client, and I'm going to be the consultant. So, all right. So whenever you're ready, Tyler, we'll start. Oh, hush. Gotta love when the oldest dog decides to imagine somebody at the front door. All right.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
All right. Hey, Jake, I saw your message earlier. I saw that you kind of found some things out, and I just kind of like wanted to go over with you and kind of get some more information about what exactly you found.
Sure. What's going on?
So came to my attention that kind of came across some things, some information about some findings that you found out, and I was just some of the employees were kind of concerned about the information being shared not clearly with them to the right people.
Yeah, I mean, I did push them a little bit the other day to try to get some information about things that have been going on around the office, and tried to kind of probe a little bit, and they were telling me some things about that their boss tells them this and their boss tells them that, and it didn't seem that out of line to me. But now that you bring a point to it, I can see if I kind of stand in your shoes about it. Hold on one second. Let me get rid of the distraction of the office dogs here. But yeah, I can see where that maybe seemed like a little bit digging a little too deep. I don't think they were saying anything too much. Again, nothing will go into the rest of the report about anything I found there if it's of a sensitive nature.
Okay.
Yeah, you let me know. I'll resend you some of the stuff I found to see if any of it, is concerning to you. Otherwise, there were no complaints about them saying that, they believe that you need to be replaced or anything like that. Nothing of that kind of nature. Just the usual gripe and grime that employees sometimes have about upper management, things of that nature.
Okay, good. I just kind of wanted to make sure that like nothing wrecked our like team chemistry that was going on or anything like that, because that would definitely affect the work performance.
Right. They assured me that everything is honky dory. It's good. As far as I could tell, their morale didn't seem to be affected. Of course, anybody's a little iffy when other people are coming in to observe them and figure out what's going on. So could have been a little bit of nerves and not really knowing what to say or what to do. But yeah, otherwise I'm glad we were able to clear that up, and I'll make sure to make the notes for even my other consultants to get the memo so they don't overreach or don't do anything extra to probe in those certain areas.
All right, thanks so much.
Yeah, no problem, Tyler. Thanks for calling me and getting together this week.
All right, thanks.
All right.
See you later.
Yeah. All right. So that is going to end our little presentation. Thanks, guys.